chair. Ooh, I like this. Hi everybody, Brian Jones, the Sunday Carpenter, coming to you from a rainy Saturday afternoon. Since we're asked to stay home, I figured I'd use my time wisely. I had a big stack of wood behind my house. The lumber was all left over from when they made the house. Here beside me is some of the lumber that I saved about 12 years ago. I figured I'd try to make a project out of them and use up this rainy day in a productive way. Let's get to it. Today's tools will be things to measure with, something to cut with, something to sand with, something to draw with, and safety equipment. I measured the area for my butt, the actual seat part, and I made it 27 centimeters deep. Next, this part is going to go through the backboard, and so I got to cut the sides off. I'm going to use the original edge for the bottom. I'm going to measure up to the bottom of where my chair will be. So that's going to be 28 centimeters up. I drew a line for where this will go, and I transferred this thickness so I know how big to make the hole for that to go through. Oh, we got to trim it up a little. Okay everybody, so it got way too rainy and stormy earlier. I had to move everything inside. Then the rain stopped, cleaned out here. And just, wouldn't you know it, just as I'm about to start again, the wind kicks up. We got major gusts and rain again. Some huge gusts. So anyway, I'm just going to route this really quick and get inside and dry again. That's messy work. It's fun. So this is the butt board. My butt will go there. This is going to go through the back. I've rounded off all the edges, but the places that come in contact with the backboard I've left square, so to give it a stronger seating. Back here also it's been rounded over, so it should fit through here. Let's see. And that's what it's supposed to look like. This is a pretty quick and easy build. I'm going to stop my video here. I'm not going to show you the sanding and the staining. You've probably seen that all before. If you make the chair out of a thicker board, it might fit better. This is 2.5 centimeters, but 3.5 or 4 centimeter board might work a lot better. Although, I'm not complaining with this one. If you're going to make one of these, this back at 110 centimeters is good. The butt board is, this one was 90 centimeters. I think you might want to make this butt board about 10 centimeters long. 100 centimeters, just 1 meter would be perfect, I think. It'd give you more of an up angle. So I'd like to say thanks to everyone for watching. If you could, hit the like button and the subscribe button down below. Stay tuned for more videos from the Sunday Carpenter. I'd also like to give a special shout out to all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for subscribing, everybody. It really does mean the world to me that I got 100 subscribers. See you next time, and stay safe, everybody. Wow. Yeah, that's great. For sitting by a campfire, having a cold one, and you're watching the stars.